remember, Kenya is in the continent Africa. So here is a map of Kenya. Now, Nairobi here is the capital city in Kenya, and Mombasa down here on the coast is the biggest city in Kenya. Now, you've already watched the video about Kenya, and you are going to be answering the questions. You are going to be looking at what the weather's like in Kenya, why the weather is like this, what do we know about the weather in the UK, what special foods are eaten in Kenya, and what is school like in Kenya. And finally, how might going to school in Kenya be different or similar going to school in the UK? So the capital city of Nairobi. Mombasa is the largest city in Kenya, and Kenya's population is around 44 million. So 44 million people live in Kenya. Kenya lies on the equator, which means the climate is hot, sunny, and dry for most of the year. Mount Kenya is high enough to have snow all year round. It is very cold in the mountains. In the highlands, it is cool. In the north, it is hot and dry with arid deserts. In the west, it is hot and humid, and the rainfall can be the highest here. If there is no rainfall for a long time, droughts can occur. More than 60 languages are spoken in Kenya. The official languages of Kenya are Swahili and English. So that means they do speak English in Kenya, but they also speak Swahili. Music and storytelling are very important in Kenya. There are many different types of food in Kenya, such as cassava, ugali, and Kenyan stew. Maize and other cereals are all staple grains. Rivers and mountains. The Tana River is the longest river in Kenya. Mount Kenya is the highest mountain in Kenya, and the country itself was named after the mountain. The Great Rift Valley is an enormous valley of mountains which runs from the north to south of Kenya. The valley has a chain of volcanoes which are still active, alive. Lake Victoria, the second largest lake in the world, is part of the Great Rift Valley. Not all Kenyan children go to school. Many children are too busy helping their families by working on the land, farming, cooking, or fetching water. Some children may have over an hour's walk to school. Some children may be different ages but in the same year group. And the schools have very few resources. So the schools are very different to our schools today. In England, we can't just not go to school, but in Kenya, some children don't have a choice. Kenya has different species of animals. Millions of people visit Kenya each year to see the huge savanna and the animals that inhabit it, such as elephants, lions, cheetahs, meerkats, and zebras. The big 5 animals in Africa are the African lion, white-black rhinoceros, African leopard, Cape buffalo, and the African elephant. Kenya has over 50 nature reserves and national parks to protect these animals. The Masai Mara Reserve is the most popular. So now you are going to go back onto your homepage and you are going to try and answer the questions I have put on there. You can write the answers out or you can just discuss the questions with somebody from your house.